This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this Limited is Gunship Gray with a black factory finish. Basically what that means is the chrome has been replaced with black, so it gives it a really good contrast being blacked out. This bike is in excellent condition. Has only 3,247 original miles on the odometer. This bike is not even remotely broke in. Being the limited model, it comes with cruise control, heated grips, the GTS BOOM stereo, which has the AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, so you can Bluetooth your device with your tunes into the system, or in this compartment right here, put your device in there and plug it in and it'll integrate it and charge it at the same time. Comes standard equipment with the 114 cubic inch engine, 6-speed transmission, so there's plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the highway comfortably and safely, with plenty of power to spare. Nice big comfortable touring seat for you and your passenger, with a great wraparound backrest with speakers for your passenger. These are just excellent touring bikes. Now out front it has a smoked Sport Windshield, LED headlight, LED driving lights, and the turn signals have been upgraded to LED, and when you turn the bike on they're white, and you hit the turn signal button and they turn amber. Black front end. Nice big 6-gallon fuel tank, so you have a lot of range with this bike. LED lights on the sides of the TourPak. LED lights on the back of the TourPak. Now there's a few options that have been added. 12-inch Carlini style handlebars have been added, which get the handlebars up and back a little bit for you, so you have a little better riding position, but not so high that your hands are up in the wind. The stock black factory mufflers have been replaced with Tab Performance 4-inch black mufflers, so you can actually hear this bike run, as opposed to the stock ones that you can barely hear it run. Has the factory owner's manual, and there's a nice 12-volt power point there to charge a second device, and another plug-in up on the fairing for a plug in your device to charge it. in the market for a new touring bike, you might want to take a really good look at this 22 Ultra Limited with the GUNSHIP gray blacked out finish. Low mileage, all the right accessories have been added to it. Don't get stuck paying MSRP, the touring bike surcharge, title and dock fees, setup fees, freight fees, all that other hooey, all the mystery fees. Save yourself thousands of dollars on this bike. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now our prices are out the door. No dock fees, no title fees, no mystery fees, none of that hooey. It's just a good, honest, out the door price. The bike will come with a 30-day temp tag and a fresh fluids change. Give us a call. Thanks for watching the video.